In this video, I will show you how to fix lag, stuttering, and input delay in FC26 on PC. If FC26 isn't running smoothly and you're experiencing performance issues during matches, these settings can help improve gameplay and reduce lag. First, launch FC26 and click the gear icon from the main menu. Go to Settings, then Game Settings, and open the Display tab. Find the frame rate limit option and test different settings such as 60 frames per second, 144 frames per second, or unlimited to see which performs best on your system. Then scroll down and set cutscene performance to full frame rate. Next, open the graphics settings menu and set the graphics preset to auto. This allows the game to automatically adjust visual settings based on your hardware for a better balance between performance and image quality. Apply the changes and test the game. After that, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website and install the latest driver available for your graphics card. Next, navigate to your FC26 installation folder and locate fc26.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, then click Apply and OK. After completing these steps, launch the game again and check if the lag, stuttering, or input delay has improved.